For making a Persian Basmati rice, I have 2 cups of rice. I'm washing it with lukewarm water until the water gets clear. Then I add 2 tablespoons of salt. Let the rice sit for 25 minutes. Then I have about 10 cups of water that it boils. Then I drain the rice and add it to the water. I stir it occasionally until it becomes soft and long grain. You see that the size of each grain become double, and then after that I'm gonna strain it and then run it through the cold water to stop it from cooking more. Then I will have the pot in the heat. Then add a half a cup of oil to it and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It's very optional. You don't need to, but because I like the color, I add to it. Then I will transfer the rice to the hot oil. And slowly, you don't want to dump all of them, slowly, spoon by spoon, you put it in there and make it to the mountain shape, and then poke the rice and cover the rice with the towel. That makes the rice to really cook. Then you put the temperature in the not very high, medium high, until you see that steam comes out. After that, you reduce the temperature to to lower and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. It's all depends on the size of your pot. When your rice is ready, you poke your rice with a knife in the pot and you hear the crunchy. The crunchy means that the bottom of the rice, we call it tadig, is ready. That's why it's yellow and it's very crunchy and the best part of rice. When you take the rice out, you take the white part out slowly, and then with your spatula, take the tadig out. This is what makes a Persian rice a good Persian rice. Thank you for watching. Hope I'll see you again soon.